this. This is in 0.1 millimeters. But because I'm already in this menu, I'm just doing it like this. So once I have it like that, I'm sure that if I do it over here, it doesn't fit.
Oh yeah.
So
it's kind of like slightly back.
yeah, so I have to go back here, and I have to turn this until it's the right way. This side is always correct. This side is probably going to be wrong.
Oh, okay.
So you're never going to adjust this side, only this side. So this side should match this side. So basically, when this touches, it should be just enough that you can barely slide this under.
Oh. Is it that important?
It's very important. Because if it's too high, then the plastic isn't going to
Touch the thing.
Yeah. So the issue is that this can be off level, and the tray itself can be off level.
The tray?
Yeah. So these gears down here, you have to adjust them until it's flat.
Oh.
So of course you would adjust it like this, but this has only a maximum height. So if there's just a whole bunch of space, you have to go back, and then you just have to spam this button until it's just close enough.
Oh, is it moving right now?
Yeah, it's very. This button only moves by 0.1 millimeters. It is not perfect. Okay. That means we have to do all the corners again.
Yay. It still didn't like.
No, I got it.
You got it? Alright, nice.
It takes forever.
Oh,
so it has to do all of these boxes. In Cura, you select the STL file, you open it up, put it in there. It probably will load on its side. If that happens, click on it, select the rotate tool, and rotate it. Once that's like that, check all your settings. Sometimes you need support. In this case, it doesn't need them. Fill 20 is fine. You can click slice.
So how do you get the STL file?
In SolidWorks, you save as. So normally it saves as a part.
Yeah.
Which if you want to open it and edit it again, you want to do that. You can click here, and it's STL, and then you just save it.
Oh, that's cool.
So once it's sliced, it'll tell you how long it's supposed to take. And
4 hours?
Yeah, it's usually longer.
Wow.
And then you save removable, and then you can just eject it immediately. And you can take it out. I always get it the wrong way first. Power switch is back here. It's already on. That was SF3, print. Oh, right, okay. I have to load it. It's supposed to go through this. This is like the scanner, but it keeps jamming, and I can't.
You can't get it in.
Yeah. As you can hear, it just keeps getting stuck. So.